Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to add any music or sound to your TikTok videos. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is going to be similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now tap on plus icon on the bottom, create. Here we go. Now shoot the video for few seconds. Tap on that red circle. After you are done, you can see at the top add sound. Tap on that. Here you can see different songs. Also, you can search for any song or music you want to put into your video. Here I will be searching for one song for the example. Here I go. In this way, you can add any music or sound to your TikTok video. I hope you enjoyed this video and also this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.